Right, in question 8.2.1, we asked to find dy dx if y is equal to x squared minus 1 over x squared, all squared. Okay, so one thing to recall is that the product rule, or the power rule, sorry, for differentiation is given as that the derivative of, say, xn is equal to n times x to the n minus 1. So you should all be comfortable with that. So if you, for instance, have the function x squared and you want to find the derivative of x squared ddx, then we just have that it's 2 times x to the power 1. Okay, so this requires further work because we need to get it into a form where we can use this rule. It's not in that form right now. So we need to multiply everything out, unfortunately. So y is equal to x squared minus 1 x squared all squared is the same as just having 2 x squared brackets like that. And what's going to happen is we're going to get x to the power 4. X squared times x squared, 1 over x squared is going to give us 1. And then, so that's going to be minus 2. So that's because, let me just write this out more. That's going to be x squared times 1 over minus 1 over x squared. So the x squareds are going to cancel and you'll get a minus 1. Similarly, for this, you're going to have a minus 1 over x squared multiplied by x squared. So the x squareds are going to cancel and you're going to get a minus 1. So that's where that minus 2 is coming from, because you'll have minus 1, minus 1. And then minus 1 over x squared multiplied by minus 1 over x squared is going to give us plus, because we're multiplying a minus and a minus, plus 1 over x to the power 4. And then just a bit further simplification, x to the 4 minus 2 plus x to the minus 4. Okay, so now we've got it in a form where we can use our exponent rule. And what we can simply say then is that the derivative, therefore y prime, you can write it like that, is equal to 4x cubed, and then the derivative of a constant is 0, and then this will be minus 4 times x to the minus 5, and that is the answer. So it's basically just getting it into a form that is where we can use the exponent rule. Okay, so if you are taking, say, advanced program maths, you can use the chain rule. And in fact, in this case, the chain rule might be slightly easier because then you don't have to multiply it out. But if you don't do AP maths, we don't feel comfortable with that. It's not part of the core math syllabus, so don't worry about that. But that's just another approach that you could use.